Chemical kinetics. What is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is the part of chemical science dealing with the study of the rate of chemical reaction and the factors which affect the rate of reaction. Reaction rates. Rate of chemical reaction, change in concentration of a reactant or product with time in second, minute or hour. Rate of reaction, change in concentration upon change in time. Chemical kinetics. Here is simple reaction A to B. Rate is equal to minus delta A upon delta T. Delta A, change in concentration of A over a time period delta T. Next, rate is equal to delta B upon delta T. Delta B is change in concentration of B over a time period delta T. Because A decreases with time, delta A is negative. Here is some expression. Rate is equal to minus delta A upon delta T. Rate is equal to delta B upon delta T. In graph, we see A molecules and B molecules. With respect to time, the rate expression, we know how to work out the rate of reaction, but that doesn't tell us if all the reactant make some contribution to overall reaction. That's where the rate expression comes in. Look at this reaction, x plus y is equal to z. X may make more contribution to the rate of the reaction than y, or x may make no contribution to the rate of the reaction, instead it depends upon y. The only way to find this out is through the experimentation. When you see square brackets around the formula, it means concentration of HCl, means concentration of HCl. So we could say that the rate is proportional to the concentration of the reactant. Rate is directly proportional to, in bracket, x and y. Rate is directly proportional to xy. This suggests that x and y both have an equal effect on the rate of this reaction. Question: what would happen if we double the concentration x or y? The rate of reaction would also double. Question: what would happen if we had y to double the concentration of y would quadruple the reaction rate? Rate constant. Unfortunately, proportionality signs aren't very useful to us, so we need to replace it with a constant. Rate is equal to k to xy. K is the symbol for the rate constant. K is different for every reaction. K varies with temperature, so temperature must be stated when quoting K. The order of reaction. Let's look at the rate of equation for x and y. Again, rate is equal to k xy raised to 2, means that y has double the effect of x on the rate of reaction. This is the order with respect to y. X must have an order of 1. X and x1 are the same. The overall reaction order of x plus y is 1 plus 2 third order. The rate expression. So, taking into account the rate constant and the reaction order, the overall rate expression is rate is equal to k xm yn, where m and n are the orders of the reaction with respect to x and y. The overall reaction order is m plus n. Thank you.